लास्ट स्पीकर का एक एडवांटेज होता है, मैं जो भी लिख के लाया था ना, वो मेरे पहले जिन्होंने भाषण किया उन्होंने बहुत से पॉइंट्स कवर किए। अभी हमारे मस्कर जी है, श्री कृष्ण मस्कर वॉज माई स्टूडेंट इन मुरुंड कॉलेज, बट आउटसाइड द कॉलेज आई एम स्टूडेंट। वो संस्कृत में हम लोग कहते हैं ना, शिष्यात इच्छेद पराजयम। अल्टीमेटली व्हाट डज अ स्टूडेंट वांट, हिज स्टूडेंट्स मस्ट गो अहेड ऑफ हिम। ऐसे हमारे एक स्टूडेंट है श्री कृष्ण मस्कर। और एक बात मैं बताता हूँ, अंबिका योग कुटीर आने से पहले शुद्धि क्रिया क्या होती है वो मुझे इन्होंने दिखाया है। उपवन तालाब में वो घंटाड़ी मित्र मंडल के 50-60 लोगों को लेके आए, उधर वो पैरापेट पे खड़े हो गए और उन्होंने धोती कैसे करना है सिखाया। शायद उसके बाद मैं यहाँ आया होगा। तो ऐसे हमारे स्टूडेंट है श्री कृष्ण मस्कर। इतना पॉइंट्स उन्होंने कवर किया। मैं अंग्रेज़ी में बोलूँ क्या हिंदी में बोलूँ? अब ये भी उन्होंने बोला कि अंग्रेज़ी में किताब का भाषांतर किया है, तो अंग्रेज़ी में भाषण करने की कोशिश करता हूँ, क्योंकि आई एम नाइदर फ्लुएंट इन मराठी, आई एम नॉट फ्लुएंट इन हिंदी. Because I was teaching in English in Maroon College of Commerce, I am somewhat comfortable with English. So I just want to begin with a prayer to our Hatha Yogi Nikam Guruji. Nidhe Yoga Vidyanam Vishache Sarva Vyadhinam Hatha Vidya Pranetaya Nikamakya Gurave Namaha. My salutations to Hatha Yogi Nikam Guruji, who is a storehouse of yogic knowledge. बिशक यानी वैद्य, तीमारदार, सब साइकोसोमैटिक, सोमैटोसाइकिक, फिजिकल, मेंटल डिसऑर्डर्स का जो वैद्य है वो हमारे निकम गुरुजी है. हठ विद्या प्रणेता, ही द प्रपोनेंट ऑफ हठ विद्या. आपको तो मालूम है हठ विद्या क्या है. हाँ, निकमाख्य गुरुवे नमः. निकम नामक हमारे जो गुरुजी है उनका मैं नमन करता हूँ. अभी तक तो विषय क्या था, हाउ टू कंट्रोल द माइंड. शैल आई टेल यू, इट्स इम्पॉसिबल टू कंट्रोल द माइंड, बट नेवर माइंड. सी, यू शुड नॉट बॉदर. कैन यू कंट्रोल द माइंड व्हेन यू आर हंग्री? 1 o'clock you have that lunch. The time now is 12:45. If I talk longer, your hunger will become anger. Am I correct? I'm also hungry, right? If I wind up early, all will be happy and secretion will take place which will make you happy. What is that secretion called? Serotonin. Glands will secrete serotonin that will increase your happiness index. Okay. I have noted down points on 4 pages. After Maskar's talk, I cancelled 40%. After another person's talk, cancelled 25%. After the third speaker, I was just searching what remains. Sir, let me tell you very frankly, nothing remains. But still there are 5 minutes, so I will just touch on 5 aspects. Mind is uncontrollable, but the body is controllable. So catch hold of the body, make it stand still, sit still. But body will be restless because of asanturan, imbalance between kapha, pitta and vata. इसलिए तो that famous definition, samadoshaha, samagnishta, sabadhato malakriyaha. Second line for me is more important. Prasannatmendriyo manaha swastamit abhidhiyate. Please remember, swasthya is not at the physical level. It is not even at the mental level. Prasanna atma indriya manaha swasthyam iti abhidhiyate. This is the finest and perhaps the best definition of health I have come across in life. Just as Pasayadhan is the best universal prayer in the world, which all have admitted. So this is the best definition of health. Why Yovana took 1950, took dawn to add that word spiritual. That means before that they were spiritless creatures. So start with the body. Body is unstable. So start with Shuddhi Kriya. You are sitting on the floor. There is acidity. There is asthma problem. There is Vata is the problem. Right? Vata, what lavte kari. So always begin with Shuddhi Kriya. Shuddhi Kriyas you know. And in our kutir for 21 days Guruji used to make us do dhauti. After 21 days there is perfect balance of tridoshas, Kapha, Pitta and Vata. And more importantly, the taste buds on the tip of your tongue, they undergo change. I have seen people have stopped eating non-vegetarian food after 21 days because the taste buds at the tip of the tongue, they undergo a change. When doctor gives you bitter medicine, he will say, open your mouth. He will put the pill behind the tongue because there are no taste buds. So that is the beauty of this health. Take care of your health. And then come to pranayam. So that's why we begin with asanas, because asanas deal with body. There are 5 characteristics. Sri Krishna has already covered 4. S.R. Kulkarni has covered the 5th one. Right? So for me nothing remains except that last one, Ananta Samapatibhyam. Sthira Sukham Asanam, you know. Prayatna Shaithilya comes by practice. You should move into any asana with effortless ease. If you struggle to come in that posture, you are not perfect. The 3 are over. Sthira, Sukhatva, Prayatna Shaithilyata, Ananta Samapatti. The word Ananta has 2 meanings. Infinity and divinity. Achyuta Ananta Govinda Namochar Nabeshadat Nashyanti Sakala Dosha Satyam Satyam Vadamyaham. Ananta is there. Satyam Jnana Anantam Brahma. Na Vidyate Antaha Yasya Saha Anantaha. Infinite. God is infinite. So focus your mind on that Ananta. And what about divinity? Ananta is the name of Vishnu. So you have to focus on the infinity, you have to focus on the divinity, and what is that? Prayatna Shaithilyat, Ananta Samapatibhyam. Samapatti is the essence of asanas. Samapatti is complete engrossment of the mind in what you are doing. Samapatti is the essence of samadhi. The definition of samadhi is samyak dhyate manaha anena ite samadhi. So asanas by themselves will bring you very close to the last stage, and that is samadhi. What happens? Tato dvandvan abhighataha. All the dualities that perturb you, all the dualities that torture you are annihilated by yogasana. So sthiram, sukham, prayatna shaithilyam, ananta samapatti, and cessation, annihilation of dvandva. This will bring you very close to a state which we call samadhi. Please note one famous line. Before we come to pranayam, I will not talk about pranayam because all I told you about pranayam and you know pranayam. Hatha Yoga is pranayama shastra, and all are highly qualified yogis and very good teachers. Tasmin sati shwasa prashwasayoho gati vichhedaha pranayama. Just look at that word, tasmin sati. Only when you can do asanas with perfection, then only you become eligible, qualified, fit for doing pranayam. If you do pranayam without learning asanas, you can never progress. If you do asanas without undergoing Shuddhi Kriya, you will not progress in this also. It is a graduation. Asanas are like graduation, pranayam is like post-graduation course. About pranayam, only one source. What is the soul of pranayam? The source of pranayam is Kumbhak. The essence of asana is samapati. And the essence of pranayama or the quintessence of pranayama is Kumbhak. Shwasa prashwasiyoho gati vichchedaha pranayamaha. When do you see gati vichchedam? During Kumbhak. Whether it is Baya Kumbhak or Antar Kumbhak is immaterial, you will find that is truncation of Shwasa, Prashwasa, inhalation and exhalation. This is how you see the greatness of pranayam. Once you master pranayam, please note, I personally feel yoga is not controlling the mind. Yoga is not for this. Actually, I wanted to talk, as Sri Krishna has said, 3 sutras, that is the end of yoga sadhana. Just 3 sutras, Sri Krishna still have not gone beyond those 3 sutras. What is that first one? Atha yoga anushasanam, that you all know. Huh? What is the second one? Yogaha chitta vritti nirodha. Chitta is a problem. Vrittis are greater problems. Nirodha is the greatest problem. Throughout your life, whether you are 70, 75, 80 or 100, you will not go beyond this second one. Chitta you can't control. Chitta vritti you can't control. Forget about Nirodha. Then how can you come to the third one? Tada drashtuho swarupe avasthanam. We don't know our own swarupa. How can we understand the divine swarupa? So throughout my life, let me admit, I have not gone beyond these 3 sutras. The best method for controlling the mind is Antaranga Sadhana, Dharana, Dhyana and Samadhi. Traivekatra Sanyamaha. Dhyana is the best one. Other 2, you don't have to learn. But for this, there is a superb mathematical formula given by Swami Vivekananda. I will give you the formula. You practice it at home. 28th minute, you are in Samadhi. Don't have to come to Ghantali Mitra Mandal. Don't have to come to our Ambika Yoga Kutir. Don't have to go to Kaivalya Dham. Don't have to go to any Dham. You are very, very close to Param Dham. Very simple formula. Focus on any object for 12 seconds. Not much, no. 12 seconds focus on any object. That becomes one dharana. 12 rounds of dharana make one round of dhyana. So how many seconds? Hungry, I know. When you are hungry, your mind stops functioning 144 seconds. 12 rounds of dhyana will make one round of samadhi. So how many? Don't bother. I have calculated. It comes to 28 minutes. Practice this without any interruption, wavering of the mind for 28, what is that? Minutes. You will be a perfect person. Tell me you have attained it. I will come and touch your feet. So, actually the yoga is not for this. It is not for controlling the mind. It is for going beyond the mind. Unmani avastha, manonmani avastha. And see, you have to go beyond that. After retirement, we go beyond a particular stage. When children are well placed, we go beyond a particular stage. Anayasena maranam vina dainena jevanam dehime kripaya sant. That is a prayer we do. Why we go beyond that? Because nothing remains at that stage. Once we go beyond the mind with the help of buddhi, You come to a stage of life when nothing remains to be achieved, nothing remains to be done. You have no thoughts, you have no feelings, you have no ambitions, you have no cravings, nothing remains. That is the best stage to which we have to go, and for this Guruji has given one simple rule. See, we have Kriya Yoga of autobiography of a yogi, Kriya Yoga given by Patanjali, Tapaswadhyaya Ishvara Pranidhanani Kriya Yoga. But our Hatha Yogi Nikam Guruji's concept of Kriya Yoga is really super. Antakaran ka Udatikaran. Sublimation of Antakarana. Once you do that, I tell you, you have gone to a stage of Samadhi. We are common people, mortals, men of flesh and blood. For us, Samadhi means Savadhana. All that we want in life, with daughters-in-law, mother, all those things, we want Samadhana. Samadhanam Samadhi. Samyak dhiyate manaha anena iti Samadhanam. See, Samyak dhiyate manaha anena iti Samadhanam. And as Gondavlikar Maharaj has said, Samadhan Purnatvacha Pratik. So I will just say, Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate Hari Om Om Tat Sat.